Hi my friends, this video today is to follow up the other video that I complained about the knocking sound from the front wheel. I did talk to Eovan technical support and they did a fast shipment for the replacement of the new wheel. I already put it on, so I'm going to do a little test ride so we can hear the sound, just a regular sound from the gravel and the wheel, not the knocking sound is no longer there. So to show you, I'm gonna do a little ride. See, this is the box, and it took about a week to get it from China. No more knocking sound. That's just the normal gravel vibration from the wheel and the board. But no more knocking sound. I love it. I'm not gonna go on the street. So thank you guys for all your help and support. Thank you. Thank you everyone for the fast shipment. Okay, thank you so much. You got the best.